Hi everyone, welcome to Novi Kitchen and Bar channel. This is Master Sushi Chef here at Terada.
Hi, how are you?
Alright Hiro, what are we doing today?
Okay, today we're gonna show you guys how to sharpen knife. So first we're gonna sharp to the stone. So we have two different type of stone. This is the 1000 sharpen stone, and this is 6000 for making shiny stone. Okay, we're gonna use two different stone today.
Okay. And what preparation do we need for this?
Yes.
I see it soaking in the water.
Yes, actually this stone, before you start the sharpening knife, actually you need to soak it into the water about 10 to 12 hours.
Okay.
So
And what's the reason for that? Why do we soak it in for about 10 to 12 hours?
because of the stone needs to enough suck in the water actually. So if
Okay.
the stone dries, it's not good. So that is we soak into the water.
Alright.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay.
So this we have a Masa Hiro, it's 1000. I guess that's the number of the smoothness of it, and this is the Kuichi 6000. Alright. More like a polishing stone.
Right.
Alright, perfect. Alright. So what knife are we going to sharpen
So
today?
I'm going to use Kikuichi one. So can you catch it?
Yeah, let's see if we can catch the edge of it. I know we talked about, okay, I see it there, perfect. I see the edge of it. It looks like it's not even that sharp. It might be sharp, but it's actually not even smooth. I see a lot of ridges right there at the very, very edge. Okay, so we're going to take that out just by sharpening the knife. Okay. A little water.
A little water. And then attach to the stone evenly. And this is 15 degrees.
Okay, 15 degrees. Keep the force in the front.
Right. And same way, 15 degrees. Okay.
Okay. How do you know when you're finished?
Okay. So actually, you have to see the blade. Push a little bit. So this is actually I need more sharp, but you can touch in the top of the blade. You can see the how.
Let's see if I can capture it on camera. Hold like this and see. Yeah, it looks a little bit better.
Still, you can see the white.
Yeah, some parts, yeah.
This part we need to take it off.
Okay, very, very good. All right. So now that was about 30 repetitions on both sides. Keep the same angle, about 15 degrees.
Right.
Okay.
The also important thing is also you have to use all the face, and not the face.
Use the whole face of the stone.
Yeah,
Okay.
because not only one side like this.
Correct.
You have to use all the face to make it evenly too.
Okay.
You know?
So after about 15 minutes of grinding, we're done with the 1000 grit sharpening stone, and it looks much better. I don't see the white edge. Alright, so we're going to go to the 6000 grit stone, right, Hiro?
Yes. So now
it's by Kikuchi.
Change the stone.
Alright. And what is the stone? I guess you want to get a finer polish? Finer...
Yes, fine polish and making smooth and...
More smoother?
Yes.
Okay. This is a Masahiro. Let me just show this one here. 6000 grit. Oh, I'm sorry, Kikuchi, you're right. Kikuchi. Alright.
Okay, so same way, the 15 degree.
15 degrees, okay.
Yeah.
Even motion again?
Yeah, same technique. Up and down, up and down.
It's very important that we mentioned that you must soak the stone, the longer the better. At least, you know, if you can soak it for 24 hours or even 48 hours, it's going to be better. This stone is porous, absorbs water, and when you do this kind of honing on the knife and sharpening, it's much easier on the knife. It's not as harsh. So, not even hear anything grinding on. It's so smooth, the stone.
Right.
How long are you going to spend on this stone?
This one also about 10 minutes, or 10-15 minutes.
We're done sharpening this knife, the 6000 grit.
Yes.
And let's see, I see the edge is very, very polished. It's really, really nice. I'm sure it's very sharp. Let's see what you can do with that knife. Very nice. Alright, here we go. We just finished sharpening this knife, the Kikuchi. Alright, and we have our friendly little tomato. Alright.
Okay.
And uses as a garnish. Alright, that's beautiful. So blessed. Thank you very much, Hiro.
Thank you.